Okay. It's all anniversary tonight.
That's beautiful. That's one of my favorites.
Boobalooey!
I'm sorry.
Those idiots are part of my relation.
Hey.
Are you recording this or what? Did you push record on it or something?
What?
Never mind.
I'm going to St. Martin.
You going to St. Martin? I've been to St. Martin. It's very.
I've been to St. Martin.
It's very, very.
I know
Stop.
Claude Martin. They related?
Let's go to the Sweet Cone Festival.
Have you been there?
Where?
For like to St. Martin for like a long period of time, or just on the cruise?
Just a day.
Me too.
Just
on
a
the
day.
cruise. Norwegian.
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 You're sure adventure.
Did you just knock?
I did.
Oh my goodness!
Oh, that's-
I'm in big trouble now.
I'm showing you my cards. You haven't taken a turn yet.
No, I'll probably improve that.
I'm sure you will.
Oh, here you go, Pete.
Oh, I'd love it, but it doesn't help me a bit. Neither will. Well, this will have to do, but how about that? It's not good news.
Whew!
15.
I only have 19. Beat you.
I have
18, 16.
21.
15 pays.
Hey, the pot.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'm so sorry.
Yeah, you can tell. I can see
Sincerity.
I can see the big tears
Yeah.
rolling
No, I
down your
really did
face.
tell you.
Yeah.
Right.
If you win, you can go out and buy yourself a Dairy Queen ice cream.
Probably not
Small
even that one. The
Can't
baby
get
size.
Won't get dipped or nuts.
Twinkle coat.
No,
Just
do
think
that,
that's so
no.
amazing how they can stick that ice cream and that thing and that chocolate and they come hard on there.
Mm-hmm.
Boy, we stopped at Dairy Queen after the ball game last
Got
night.
the
It was fireworks.
Remember that?
Gee.
Where?
I was wanting it
Yeah,
all
what'd you have?
day long.
Where did you
Hot
start?
fudge sundae.
Where did
nuts
you
on
start?
it.
Jeez.
At Dairy Queen?
You
Dairy Queen.
complained about another ear of corn and you give him a hot fudge
It was
sundae.
Pearl's problem.
It was my fault, but I waited
Not
all
her
day
fault.
long and said, I haven't had one
She
years.
had the biggest one.
I
Dad
did?
had the next size, and I had the smallest.
It's true.
Thanks a lot.
It's
You're
true.
welcome.
Next time sure you'll go potty, will you?
Do what?
Go potty.
He's going to
He
try
said
to
next
sneak
time
your
it's my
cards.
deal, go potty.
That would do. Oh boy, what do I do? What do I do? Yes. I'll give you that. Big one. Oh, it's really hard to see.
Oh, I was
Oh!
watching Grandpa. He's so amazing.
That was another hard decision.
You
I'll
always
give
does
it that 3.
Yeah.
Look that way. You're like Dennis the Menace, the later years. Look that way.
There you go. There.
Got the little.
Don't tell him that.
Why?
Good. I like it.
It's so cute.
Oh,
boy.
Extra roof.
Nobody's giving me any good cards
Look at
like
that.
that. Oh, wow. Good.
Big one.
That's right.
Could be the big one, Elizabeth.
What's that mean?
Sanford and Son.
Ah.
You gotta pass for your
Well,
time.
now I have to give away another big one. Oh dear. It's the only good thing I didn't
Older.
win it.
Oh, are you
Oh, dear.
kidding me?
I know. Are you kidding me? Oh,
Which
what's wrong
one?
with that?
Come on. It's
What's
last
wrong with
round.
that? Doesn't matter.
So, yeah.
Are you kidding me?
There's 4 of them.
Like another 3. I was saving those 3s. Never got them all at once. Darn
Why
it.
are you making fun of me?
We're not.
Who could
No,
not?
she was.
That? Okay.
What was that?
Why'd I do that?
Who
That
not?
was really dumb.
Dad?
We
Except
threw
it won't
it.
do me any good.
Oh, good.
So I'm gotta go for that. I was hoping for something better. 17.
That's why I said, are you
Sorry,
kidding me? I drew a king and I had
2
4
17s.
kings.
Oh,
Taking them down
Alright,
Take them down
double.
2 at a time.
you leave
Where's
my-
your money at? Where's your money?
I gotta leave that left.
There's
Yeah.
no quarters in there.
What do you got?
There shouldn't be a
There's no quarter in there.
There shouldn't be.
If she's out of money.
No, she
Why
has
is
a
it down
quarter.
there?
I took out my quarter, my dear.
Excuse me. Pardon me.
I think I've been playing better
Thousand
than that.
potters.
Yes. Potters. You decided to give me a knockover. I'd be out already, didn't you? I got my quarter still.
That's why I said you probably would have had a quarter and I'm gonna, because last. What do you have left? What do you have? What do you have? Oh, thank you, Elizabeth. I don't know what that means.
Sanford and Son.
But I don't.
They
Well,
were
every
always-
time you get excited, he
it was
goes,
a-
oh, it's the big one. Elizabeth, I'm coming to
Oh,
join
okay.
you. I'm coming
That's
to
what
join
I
you.
wanted to know.
You'd love the old guy.
I've seen it.
Oh,
I mean,
you
I know
have
it's a
seen-
show,
you
but
know
I
what
didn't
they
know the
are,
saying.
okay.
Like I don't.
Okay.
If I don't get it, the saying, then I don't get to do
I'm
it.
coming to join you.
Oh, this is such a lovely hand. Thank you, Scott. I really
You're
Next time
welcome,
he
Kaz.
feels
I won't do
sorry
that
about
just to
it.
anybody.
No, it's really, really very good.
Oh, boy. I could jug myself a dandy too.
Mmm. Mmm.
Shave today?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Uncle Sonny, you want that?
You didn't do a very good job.
Maybe I didn't.
Yeah.
Is it 5 o'clock? The shadow coming?
Yeah, your shadow's there.
He was busy with that turkey. He shaved the turkey and stuff. It's really not very generous of you, dear
I'm
cousin.
sorry.
The part of this game I'm really bad at is paying attention to what everybody else is keeping.
Mhm.
I'm really
See,
bad
James
at
would be able to tell you what's down
Oh,
there in the
they
file
all-
already.
they
I
all
don't
do.
know. I don't know these things either.
I remember great grandpa, his dad, he would get so mad. When I was little, we'd play this game, and I'd throw something down, and he'd go, "Why'd you throw that down?" Because he knew, like he'd be sitting where you are, and he knew the person next to me, what they were holding the entire time. And I'd say, "I didn't know." What are you doing?
Want that?
It's that belt you put in there
No.
earlier.
I
It
got
made
some
it all
bottled water.
flavored.
It's gonna be the finale.
I don't think so, not yet.
Not yet.
Wow, that was very cool.
I've seen a lot of these before.
I think they surpassed West Point.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is